Hello. Hello to our 131 subscribers and welcome to our vlog! So today will be our year-ender vlog. We've been out in our YouTube channel for like 2 months, but here we go now. And today is a very special night because this is a sponsor night. What do you mean about sponsor night?
So we'll be having a year-end dinner outside the house. Of course, it's sponsored. And then after that, we'll be unboxing a present. Also sponsored.
Oh, I'm so excited! Okay, see you in a while. Bye! So here we go now. The first stop will be SM Jensen. We've been eyeing this restaurant, Tong Yang, since before. We haven't eaten there. But every time we go to the mall, what do?
We eat at our house first so that we will not be forced to buy food at the mall and not go hungry.
So busog na kami. Before ka pumunta ng mall, wala kayong makukuha sa amin. Okay, but Unfortunately, naabutan kami ng cut-off sa Tongyang. So kailangan namin maghanap ng ibang restaurant.
Our next stop is at CC Ball Yakibi.
Hi.
Hello! So we're here in Veranda right now. And we tried going inside Yaki Mix and then...
Yaki Mix. So, we were not informed. We didn't know that Yaki Mix and Tongyang had a cut-off time to dine with them. So it's 7:30. Do not forget. There's no food anymore after 7:30. And so we're trying to look for another buffet restaurant right now. Okay, bye! Bye!
So there are two things in mind after SM and Veranda. So our two other options are going to a hotel and try Worry Gym.
Worry Gym because Worry Gym is managed by our own friend. Shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Dignos and thank you for the discount!
So the staff in Worry Gym is very kind enough to accept us. And also their cutoff is at 8:30 pa. So we're accommodated.
Yay!
Yay! So finally we have eaten our dinner.
A few moments later.
Hello, we're here in Warrijib and you got a friend here. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Laura Alipola Cantisipola.
Which universe or
Catriona
planet
Black.
came from?
Catriona Black, Pakapin Alo Black. Hello po.
Hello. Shout out to the Gruzos, you tell them. Shout out.
Bakit follow nyo ang page ni Kuya at Paki-share
YouTube channel.
and click the notification bell.
Oh, perfect.
Huwag nyo kalimutan, 1 million viewers na.
Yes.
And hanapin nyo ako dito.
Plug mo naman, saan tayo? Plug mo naman, saan tayo ngayon?
Nandito kami sa SM. Harap ng SM.
Anong name ng restaurant?
Worry Gym na.
Ano nga yun, trending ka? Saan ka nag-trending? Sa Facebook or sa YouTube? Shoutout mo yung dinibigay sa'yo ng tip sa trending. Go! This is your time to shine.
Yung mga video sa akin ay hindi na ako binigyan. Pablatter ko kayo.
Ilang views ka pala nun?
400k.
Tapos mo lang tip?
Oo, tinawasan na ako eh. Pablatter ko lang dito.
Say thank you na lang to our viewers and say bye.
Thank you for the watching and goodbye.
Bye! Pagkatapos sa Warrijib, ay naisip namin maghanap ng drinks na pampatunaw kasi sobrang busog kami.
I want coffee.
So yun, naisip namin merong coffee project malapit sa bahay. Eh, ayun, dumiretso kami doon and hindi na makaka-disappoint sa sobrang cozy ng area.
We ordered hot chocolate.
Bawal kasi yung kape sa buntis eh. So, that's it for tonight. I just want to thank our sponsors. AP. Chase AP. 1AP. And congratulations to my wife for accomplishing her task. 3,000 views. Oh, Sisiu. So, this will also be our New Year vlog, and we just want to thank everyone who became part of our vlogging journey, and those who like and subscribe to our channel and who commented positive stuff. Thank you very much. And I think that will be all for the Gruzos. Happy New Year and
Welcome 2022.
Bye! Good morning, 131 subscribers! So today is the last day of 2021 and we are so grateful for God for everything that is given to our family.
Yeah, for the life, for all the blessings, and of course the challenges also that we have over.
Without further ado, we are going to... What are we going to do?
We're going to unbox our last gift for this year, I think.
Di na namin sabihin kung magkano. Salo na kami sa presyo. But we're so thankful for this. And so, here we go! So, ayun po, na-unbox na po namin at currently ginagamit na yung gas range namin. Yay! Thank you, Ate Ann!
Shout out!
So, I hope you like our video and hope you also get inspired and in a celebratory mode. We wish you all a Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year!
Bye!